the name which was never heard before December 2019 last year. But eventually, when this name came into existence, first of all around the globe there was a situation of panic among people as nobody knew what to do without any medication for the disease. In the very starting, we have seen when pictures was coming from the city where this panic came into existence. People came to roads and to the airports covering themselves with plastics, taking their kids and family belongings from outside the city to save themselves from the disease since do not know what was it. But now as the time passed, the people were aware of what the disease is and how we can save us. Our country with a population of 133 crore faced this situation of pandemic and has now been trying to overcome it with every possible way. According to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, over 11 lakh 70,000 tests done in last 24 hours. High levels of testing sustained over a period of time in widespread areas enable to diagnose cases early and facilitate seamless isolation and hospitalization. It eventually leads to low mortality rate. The country which is fighting this disease with people who were left on roads to travel to their native places with untiring nights when they walk to their homes, but has the battle of COVID-19 won by your country? If you look at the situation at the present time, we don't think that we have won this battle. There is a situation of chaos among the people if any person becomes COVID-19 positive. The society, which is the beam of strength for any country, ignores that person and his family so much as if they do not exist for them. The situation of the person who is COVID positive is fighting the disease as well as the people around him for the existence is miserable. The most poorest condition in this situation is of the ladies who are pregnant living away from cities and are or have been COVID positive. They are being charged heavily by the doctors if any situation arises. If the people are economically sound, then they face the situation, and if they are from the weaker sections, their lives are miserable. We, the country with 133 crores of people and standing at the 21st century, facing such a severe condition of COVID-19. The efforts of doctors, government and police which have sacrificed themselves in this situation and worked tirelessly to overcome and bring the country back to normal has been worth praising. But due to some people of the society as well as of these profession, the whole situation has become worse.